All right, so Xander got the headers and the exhaust system off of the Cougar. There's some hokey stuff going on, which we've discussed previously, like this wrapped around for the hot air choke and the heat stove for the thermostatic dealie on the
exhaust tips on this too.
Oh yeah. Now here's the exhaust system itself.
The there's holes.
Tips are completely rusted out. Yeah, we brought them in here. And I mean, this is OEM exhaust system up to here. And then it's been modified horrendously to fit the headers with the flanges. So
was that the dealership when they put the...
That, because it was sold at Shelby Ford.
Yeah.
So
Shelby
that was...
Or whatever.
Yeah, this is part of the dealer-installed Shelby package from Shelby Ford. It's pretty hokey, actually, unfortunately.
Hey, the welding's better than yours.
No, it's not. That's stick weld mess, but that's 1969 stick weld mess.
Yeah.
But, hey, you know what? It worked. It doesn't look like it was actually leaking, so that's interesting, but this is really, really bad. Like, look at how squished down that is. Like, yeah. Ooh, we have headers. We're going to gain power. We're going to kill it immediately right there. And then into stock exhaust. I just don't understand. But it was 1969. It was just a moneymaker bolt-on package for Carroll Shelby.
Like, I mean, the bolts were rusted, but nothing was stuck.
Which is good.
Or anything.
Yeah, so you got it apart fairly quickly.
There was one bolt that I needed to break apart, and that was it.
All right, so he got it all apart. Nice work, sir. Early in the week, as soon as the vet's off the lift, we'll put the Cougar back on the lift, get the trans out, get that over to Mark, and then we are just waiting for a phone call from the body shop to go take it to paint. Yay!
Do we know what color they're painting it?
Yeah, whatever that light gray it actually is. It's not white, it's actually gray. It's on the Marty report. I can't remember what it is, but I have a picture of the Marty report.
It's white.
It's actually a gray.
I know.
You're being a pain in the ass because you're 18 and you can. Because you're smarty pants.
The smart ass.
Yeah, you know it all, apparently. That's what we were told by somebody. But that guy can kick rocks. Anyway, so headers, they're still good. We'd like to maybe discuss this garbage mess here. Maybe redo it right, make it nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
That really wasn't leaking?
No.
Nice old dent in the...
Yeah, this flows like absolute garbage. I have no idea. It made negative horsepower at that point. But anyway, gain power to immediately reduce power.